So one of the things that you can easily do inside of GIMP is crop out your images. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can go around and choose the crop tool right here. So once you do that, you can see that you get the crop tool over here, which allows you to draw out a section just like this and press enter to crop it out. But when you crop out an image, you can still see that the layers, the layer right here is still full. So it is not actually actually deleted. The layer content is still there. So what you can do around over here is you can go around and allow growing right here. So on the left hand side, if you were to go around and click on allow growing, you can go around and then crop out more than what there actually is, and you get the part back, as you can see, and you can fill the extra area with transparency, as you can see, or fill it out with white or foreground color or background color as well. So you can also go around, fill it out with white, as you can see right here, and press enter as you want as well, or fill it out with foreground color as well. So if I were to go around and delete the crop out pixels right here, so if I were to go around over here and let's say for example press enter, now the pixels are actually deleted. So if I were to allow the growing right here, you don't get the content anymore. So let me just allow the growing and click and drag this and press enter, and then what happens is that you can see that it actually deletes out the pixels right here. So when you grow, you don't get the pixels back right here. And right now I only have one layer, so let me just go around and create another layer right here and press OK. And in this layer, I'm going to grab a brush and simply start painting. So let's just go around over here and then take, let's say for example, this particular color right here, and then go around and draw around over here, as you can see, just like this. So once that is done, I'm going to go around onto let's say for example onto crop right here. So let's just go around onto crop, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and crop layer only, so only this particular layer, and I'm going to delete out the cropping pixels as well. So if I were to go around and select this out right here and press enter, then only that particular layer is cropped and not everything else, as you can see right here. So you can also go around and expand from center, so that allows it to expand from center, as you can see right here, and then you can crop it out. So apart from that, you can go around and then make the width fixed as well, like there's 100 pixel, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and make the pixel fixed right here. So if I were to go around, then you get a particular pixel right here on the width, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around and then let's say for example this is the position, you can go around and change it out by pixel by changing it out into 500, as you can see. And you can also go around and change out the size right here, just like this over here, and then change around the position as well. Let's say for example to 20, just like this, as you can see right here. Then you can go around and change around the highlight opacity for the crop area as well, so that you exactly know which part you're cropping. You can go around and resize it as you like right here. You can have a fixed width, as you can see right here, or you can have a fixed height over here, just like this as well. And you can also go around and have a fixed size altogether as well, like 400 to 400 pixel right here. Then what happens is that that has the exact pixel size, as you can see, just like this. So that is what you have right here. So you can go around, work around with highlights, and even so the guides right here, like rule of thirds. You can go for center line right here. You can have rule of a rule of fifths right here. You can go for golden section rule, diagonal lines over here, and no guides as well, even center lines, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with cropping of images inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.